Hello everyone, if you're a PC user, here are two apps you should definitely know about. So let's get started. Our first app is PC Manager that you can easily get on Microsoft Store. So type here PC Manager and download this app, install this app from Microsoft Store, and now we will open it. So here you can see many tools that will make your PC performance better. You can boost your PC, you can check your PC health, you can deep clean up your disks, you can update your Windows. Each and everything in order to make your performance better is available here. So it's easy to use and helps ensure your PC stays in top of shape. So our next app is Microsoft PowerToys. Type here PowerToys. Yes, PowerToys. Mm, Install this app. So here I have installed this. So I will open this app, and here you will see over five helpful tools that can make your tasks easier and improve your productivity. So here screen ruler, shortcut guides, extractor, each and everything is available here. So give this app a try to make your PC experience even better. Thank you.